Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Taemin criminal-inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail light yellow, your middle nail matte beige, your ring and pinky nails black, and your thumbnail red. On your index nail, section off about 2/3 of the nail and paint it black. When the polish is dry, use white to make the lapels of Taemin's jacket. Add a thin red line to the inside of each white section. Seal it in with a top coat, and while the top coat is still wet, add some gold studs and a piece of chain to finish it off. On the middle nail, apply striping tape up the center of the nail and then paint the right side black. When it's dry, use a silver polish to make the details from Taemin's eye patch. On the beige side, use a couple shades of red and black to make a wound. Use a top coat to seal in just the right side of the nail. Next up is the skeleton hand. I used a bunch of beige and brown shades for this, but you could also use whites and grays if you wanted to. I think the easiest way to tackle painting the hand is to break it down and concentrate on the individual bones. It's also useful to keep looking back at the reference shot to make sure you're getting the angles right. Try to use darker shades for the parts of the hand that are further back, and lighter ones for the ones that are closer to the front. This will help create depth in the painting. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use green, dark blue, maroon, and beige to make 4 fanned out cards. Outline the green and beige cards with red and the blue and maroon cards with yellow. Use beige and brown polishes to make fingers holding the cards. Use white and black to make some little illustrations on the cards. The space you're working with here is really small, so don't worry too much about making this part neat. Some white and black blobs will be just fine. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the last design, start out by making a horizontal black rectangle in the center of the nail. Use black to write ACT above the rectangle. Keep using black to paint the number 1 below the rectangle. Finally, use red paint or polish to write criminal inside of the rectangle. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!